Troy Hopper. This is my 2010 Kink Doyle. It's not really a Doyle anymore though. Starting from the top, I got 2011 Fit Inman bars. They're 30 by 8.25 rise. I love them. Got my brand new flangeless animal grips, my sick dirty ass hands, my power band. Got some ODI bar ends. Tech 77 lever, I like it. I just got a linear cable. Already fucking tore it up. Forks, I don't know what the hell they're called. They're stock Kink Doyle forks. With my stem, love this thing. I just got it today. It's a Fit DLD. Fit bike co. It's real nice. It's fresh and it's strong as hell. For my seat, I have a United Pivotal Blue Belly Demolition DM stem, or stem, what the hell am I saying? Demolition DM sprocket. I just bought this chain today. It's nothing special about it. It's just new. Got some Odyssey plastic pedals. They're good, but I need some new ones. In the back, I have a Chromaloy Alienation Black Sheep. Tires, got an FAF back tire, and an Odyssey Dirt front tire. It's dirty as hell. I like the tread on it though. Shoes, I got some Vans, no big. Seat post, it's just a shit thing that I found pretty much. And the seat clamp, it was a black Demolition, but I didn't really like it, so I painted it. Got a sick Colt sticker, Rastafarianism, sick Colt sticker. There's my bike.